Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using all the drugstore products. All the products that I'm going to use today are accessible, so you can find them easily in store and also on apps and websites like Amazon and Nykaa. Also the fact that they don't burn a hole in your pocket is a plus. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to use is a moisturizer to hydrate my skin. And I'm using Urban Color Pro White Fresh Radiance Day Cream. It comes with SPF 15 and its whitening complex protects and lightens the skin tone. Also, it minimizes any existing dark spots and it provides long-lasting hydration. I'm using this cream because it has SPF in it, and also I need extra nourishment today as the foundation that I'm going to use is a matte foundation. If you want to know more about skincare products as well as what you can use to protect as well as pamper your skin, you can watch my last video wherein I've given a detailed description of each product, and I've also shared my skincare routine with you guys. So moving forward, I'm going to use the Ozone Glow Radiance Facial Oil. Now again, I'm using this to moisturize and hydrate my skin well since I have a dry skin. Now this oil is suitable for normal to dry skin types and it helps to replenish, hydrate and rejuvenate the face. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Urban Color Ultimate Radiance 3-in-1 makeup. Now this I'm using as a base primer for my eyelids. You can use this as an eye primer as well as a concealer to highlight your face. I really like this product because the texture is super creamy and it is very easy to blend this. Now I have quickly completed my eye makeup off camera because I wanted this video to focus more on base products. Now as you can see, for eyes I have done a brown smoky look wherein I have given glitter in the center of the eyelids to make them pop. Moving forward, I'm using the Urban Color Radiance Primer. Now this primer is oil free, which helps conceal fine lines and uneven texture. This is basically a silicone based primer which helps to fill all your pores, and it gives a very smooth, flawless, poreless finish to your face. The next thing I'm going to use is the foundation. And for foundation I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This foundation is OG in the foundation range and it is no surprise why it is so famous. It comes in 18 shades and I am in the shade Warm Nude. And in terms of coverage, according to me, it is light to medium, but it is easily buildable for a high coverage. The best part about this foundation is it is very lightweight, so even if you're applying 2 or 3 layers of foundation on your face, it won't look cakey or heavy. I like to take the foundation at the back of my hand, and with the help of a brush I like to spread it evenly on my face, and then with the damp beauty blender I like to blend it into my skin. So the next thing that I'm using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It is in the shade Amber and it is a little darker than my skin tone. I'm using this to conceal my under eye circles. So I like to apply the darker shade first under my eyes to conceal the darkness and then go with the highlighting shade. Now this concealer is full coverage and it doesn't budge. I really like the consistency and the texture of this concealer. It provides a flawless finish. So for highlighting, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. Now this is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, but I like to use it to highlight my face, and it evens out your skin tone, any redness or blemishes around the face. I'm again using the same damp beauty blender to blend all of this. So now for setting my face, I'm using the Kryolan Translucent Powder. This powder is finely milled and it provides a high degree of color neutrality. The powder looks a little white in the pan, but when you apply it to the face, it matches your skin tone perfectly. I'm going to use the powder to set my under eyes and my laughing lines around the face, because that is the area where I need the maximum coverage and I don't want the makeup to budge at all. Now to contour my face, I'm using the PAC contour. This contour blends like a dream. It is so soft and smooth, and it is a perfect contour color for lighter skin tones. For me, it works as a perfect bronzer because it has that brown hue color, which provides the perfect amount of warmth to my face. Now for blush, I'm using the bronzing pearls. Now these are multicolored powdered pearls that give the skin a sun-kissed glow, and they have a light shimmer in it, but I personally like that because it makes the skin look healthy. So these pearls contain hyaluronic acid, which is very healthy for your skin. The pearls come in different colors, so you have a variety to choose from according to your skin. So for the highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter, and it is in the shade Halo Gorgeous. It's my personal preference to use a liquid highlighter. I think it looks natural and it doesn't look very intense. Though with this highlighter you can go intense as well because it is quite buildable. So I'm applying the highlighter on the high points of my cheek, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, a little bit on the temples and a bit on the chin. So for the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. It gives your lashes length and volume at just one swipe. And no matter how many strokes you use of this mascara, it never clumps on your eyelashes. So now coming on to the lips, I'm using the Urban Color Lip Liner to line my lips. Now this lip liner has a creamy texture and it provides a smooth application. It has a matte finish and is smudge proof and long lasting. It prevents the lipstick from feathering or bleeding, which is great. Now for the lipstick, I'm using the Urban Color Love Me Matte Lip Color in the shade Latte 10. This comes in a retractable stick, which makes it very easy to use. It has a rich long wearing color and it provides a velvety smooth finish. I like the tip of the lipstick because it provides precision while applying it, and you can control the direction of the stick. As the name suggests, it gives a matte finish to the lips, but it has a very creamy texture, so it doesn't crease your lips and it's very comfortable to wear all day. Now with this, I've completed my makeup look. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. I would love for you guys to try these products and hear your thoughts on it. All these products are very affordable, under budget, and are suitable for achieving any glam look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.